Hello. Today you're looking at a KCH 168 CFM 3 horsepower PVC exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. This unit weighs in at 215 pounds. It is 32 inches long, 32 inches wide, and 24 inches tall. This comes with a 3-phase motor wired in at 230 volts. The CFM on this unit is 168 and the pressure is 12. The outlet is 6 inches and the inlet is 6 inches as well. The RPMs on this blower are 3,505. This unit has been tested over here. We'll turn it on so you can see it run. If you're interested in this blower, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.